In the beginning, there was only the void. Absolute silence. No form, no sound, only the mystery of nothingness. Then, a presence moved over the abyss. The Spirit of God hovered above the dark and restless waters, like a breath waiting for the perfect moment to create. And God said, "Let there be light." In an eternal flash, the darkness was torn apart by an indescribable brilliance. The first light shone upon the chaos, dividing day from night. Thus, the first day was born, and time began to flow. On the second day, God separated the waters. From the swirling depths rose a vast expanse of blue, the firmament. The sky, adorned with new clouds, divided the waters above from the waters below. Then, on the third day, God gathered the waters together so that dry land appeared. Let the dry ground be called earth, and the gathered waters, seas. The world began to take shape, and beneath the divine light, the soil burst with life. Green grass, flowers, and trees sprouted, each bearing seeds according to its kind. Creation filled with color, fragrance, and motion. On the fourth day, the Creator filled the heavens with lights to govern time. The sun, ruler of the day, rose in golden splendor. The moon, serene and pale, took its place at night, surrounded by countless stars. The cosmos became a perfect clock, marking days, seasons, and years. On the fifth day, the waters stirred with abundance. Whales, fish, and mysterious creatures filled the depths, while the air came alive with wings, birds of every color and shape soaring through the firmament. And God blessed them, "Be fruitful and multiply." The world resounded with life, sound, and motion. Then came the sixth day. From the earth emerged the living creatures, cattle in the fields, reptiles upon the ground, and mighty beasts roaming the wild lands. All moved in harmony under the Creator's gaze. But the work was not yet complete. And God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness." From the dust of the earth, He formed humanity and breathed into them the breath of life. Man and woman came into being, radiant in light, capable of thought, love, and creation. God blessed them and gave them dominion over all living things. The world now had its keepers. God beheld the garden filled with life, the rivers winding beneath the sun, the gleaming stars above, the creatures of land and sky, and the laughter of the first humans. Everything was in perfect balance. All breathed harmony. And God saw everything that He had made. And behold, it was very good. The day ended, and night fell peacefully. Creation was complete. The universe, once born from nothing, now sang its first silent melody, the song of existence.